In primetime news this evening, Tropical Depression 18 strengthens to Tropical Storm Rafael.
No face-to-face classes tomorrow due to expected adverse weather conditions.
And heightened concerns in rural St. Andrew following massive landslide. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Island or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, there are calls this evening for more to be done to transform the Kingston port into a major logistics hub in the Caribbean. I'll tell you about that and more in the Business Day.
And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jermaine.
Well, thank you, Giovanni. Well, since it's rain and no play locally, well, overseas, the Jamaica Scorpions will be hunting their first win in the Super 50 competition on Tuesday.
And speaking of rain, the man of the moment, Romain, is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, with the system moving closer to the island, we're expecting conditions to deteriorate as we move into tonight and tomorrow morning. We're not expected to be in the all clear until about Wednesday.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how have you been preparing for the inclement weather?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.